Please, too easy. I just have to leave your hand. You're gonna feel pretty foolish in about 2 seconds. Cloud jump! This is the edge of the universe. Oh, yeah, I totally should. Just prove I was here. And now, to make my other mark.
Stop that, monkey. You never,
What?
monkey.
No! 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 Whatever just happened, that's cheating. Duo, Pebble? Are you even supposed to be in there? You tricked me. Not fair. Stop. No! 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 No!
You have found your way.
Awake to nothingness. Whatever that means. I'll think about it. My gosh, how do I awaken to nothingness? What does that even mean? Be calm, patient, humble? I'm the king of being humble.
Monkey.
Thinking of all the ways to get back at you. Calmly. Oh, lucky me. Okay, you don't have to remind me. Taking on all the gods probably wasn't my best idea. I really messed up, didn't I?
Was to be loved. And you are. I really am your #1 fan.
Well, I guess a little Pebble did make a big wave. Oh, that's good. Me, your assistant. Okay. We helped each other. Stick, buddy! I missed you so much! Wait, don't go yet. Thank you for everything. Keep writing your scroll, Lin.
Us to release you. Are you ready to join our journey to the west?
I have awoken with peace in my heart, and you wish for me to fight? Come on, Stick! The world needs us!